Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 2. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Here, how many workers are there? 50 workers. That means sum of the frequency should be 50. That is the first clue. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. As we know, there are three methods: direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. Which one you feel comfortable, we can use that method, because here it is given that you can use appropriate method. It is not mentioned that you should do it by using direct method or assumed mean method or step deviation method. It is not mentioned. So it's our wish, whichever method we use. Now before starting the problem, let us consider the first value as class interval, second one as the frequency, that is Fi. Clear? Let us start the summation, means sum of the Fi. Directly you can add the 50, or better you can check once. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 0, 20. So here 0 will come and 2 is the carry forward. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So here 50. That is also 50. So it is matched. So we can write this as sigma Fi. This is sigma Fi. Means sum of frequencies. Now we will find mid values. Now we are going to find the mid values. Those are called denoted by xi. Clear? Now here directly you can guess what is the mid value of 200 and 250. It is 225. If not, you can add them. 200 plus 250 is 450. 450 by 2 is 225. Or directly you can say 200 to 250 mid value is 225. Clear? So here we can write 225. 250 to 300? 275. It is 275. Here there are two ways. First one is you can add them. 250 plus 300 is 550. 550 by 2 is 275. That is one of the ways. Other way is, here you see the difference. Here 200 250 difference is 50. 250 to 300 difference is 50. Everywhere difference is 50. So 50 can be added here directly. Clear? 275 plus 50, 325. 325 plus 50, 375. 375 plus 50, 425. Here you see there is an order: 225, 325, 425. 275, 375. Clear? Now here you observe carefully. Here you have to decide. If you are able to multiply Fi into Xi easily in a convenient way, then you can do by using direct method. Is it clear? 12 into 225. For example, if you feel it difficult, then we will go for the next method, that is assumed mean method. Assumed mean method is what? Here now at present in the latest, which column is prepared? Xi. Using which we have to continue. In this Xi only you can select any one value as assumed mean. Mostly middle value can be taken. So here you see for 225, 425, when you come closer, 275, 375, the mid value is 325. That can be taken as A. So this is in assumed mean method. Almost better you can take the middle value of the mid values, means of Xi. Clear? So this I am taking as A. Now with which we are going to find Di. This is called deviations. Di. Di formula is Di is equal to Xi minus A. Xi minus A, but not A minus Xi. Is it clear? Xi minus A. That means here you see 225 minus 325 is minus 100. Clear? Same way. See, from this side to this side, don't be confused. From here to here you have to subtract, but not in reverse. Same way. 275 minus 325 is minus 50. Is it clear? 325 minus 325 is 0. Now here in this way. 375 minus 325 is plus 50. 425 minus 325 is plus 100. Is it clear? Now here also there is a small thing to follow. Here you understand what is the height of the class interval or class width, that is 50. 250 minus 200 is 50. Difference. Here also you see the difference is 50 only everywhere. Is it clear? Yes, now the latest one, what is prepared now? DI is prepared. You just check once. Minus 12 into 100, minus 1200. 14 into minus 50 is minus 700. If you feel this is easy for you to add, you can follow this one is assumed mean method. If at all you want to make it much more simplification, means simpler way, then you can follow step deviation method. So for this problem, let us follow assumed mean method only, because it is very easy to multiply. Clear? So here let us close, let us stop drawing the columns, so that we have decided to follow assumed mean method. Clear? Now I will tell you how to do it. For assumed mean method, we have to construct last column, that is now latest values are di. Multiply di with fi. Whatever is latest, that should be multiplied with fi. That's all. Clear? If at all you want to go for the step deviation method, you prepare one more column, that is ui. Multiply ui with fi. Is it clear? As we have decided to follow here assumed mean method, I have stopped here at di. So I am multiplying di with fi. Is it clear? Now I am multiplying fi into di. That is the last column, fi into di. Now minus 12 into 100 minus 1200. Any doubt? Minus 14 into 50 is minus 700. These also write in order because you have to add them. 8 into 0, 0. 6 into 50, 300. 10 into 100, 1000. Clear? Now here, let us close this table now exactly. Now, what is the latest column? fi into di. We should do their total. Sigma fi into di is equal to, here there is a way of adding. You do not add all together. First you add the positive numbers. 1000 plus the 300, 1300. Minus, you add the negative values. 1200 plus 700 is 1900. So minus 1200 minus 700 is minus 1900. Is it clear? 1300 minus 1900 is minus 600. Now finally remember, sigma fi di value is minus 600. Sigma fi value is 50. A is equal to 325. This also you have to highlight because we are going to use it in the formula. Now this table work is completed. Now we are going to complete for the, we are going for the solving, means solution part. Here you see, here he said by using an appropriate method. Here we can mention the method that we follow assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. That you mentioned there. That means which method you are going to follow, right? Now there is a formula, mean denoted by same x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi into di by sigma fi. This is the formula. Sigma is the summation total. Clear? Now let us substitute the values here. from the table, you observe the table and tell me what is the value of A.
325.
325. Let us write it. From the same table, you just find out what is sigma Fi di.
Minus 600.
Here it is minus 600. Sigma Fi di is minus 600. And from the table, what is sigma Fi?
50.
50. Here it is. Now we are going to substitute these values in the formula. So we can write, therefore mean x bar is equal to A means 325. Here you see, here plus is there, in sigma Fi di minus is there. Plus into minus becomes minus, we can write directly without wasting our time. So here we can write 600 by 50. Sigma Fi is 50. Is it clear? Now here let us simplify this. Always to remember, from right side to left side simplification to be done. From right to left. So let us simplify this one first. 0, 0 get cancel. Now here this is 5 1s are, it is 5 1s are 5, it is 5 12s are 60. Is it clear? Now here what is left? 325 minus 12. 325 minus 12 is 313. It is 313. Now let us write the conclusion. Here you read the question. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory. So let us write now, cut the find. You can write the mean daily wages. Therefore, the mean daily wages is here you see. Again you come back to the class interval. Here what is in the units? Rupees is there. That rupees should be mentioned here. Is, you see, rupees 313. So 313 rupees is the mean daily wage of the workers of the particular factory. Is it clear? So with this problem number 2 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.